So the General Assembly came back for 2 days this week. They were here Wednesday and Thursday and voted out really the third version of a coronavirus relief bill. So they appropriated the last roughly $1 billion of CARES Act funding that came down from Congress. Of note for agriculture, there was an additional $30 million that they appropriated for a rural broadband program. They also appropriated $2 million for relief for dairy farmers. We've talked about in the past a program to help offset some of the price, where the prices of milk had fallen off because of the COVID-19 pandemic, and they actually funded it this time. So there's $2 million there and some relief that would go to our dairy farmers. They also put an additional $10 million into the small meat processor program that they created with the last relief bill. So that would also open that program up to seafood processors. So it's a total a little over $20 million now for livestock and seafood processors. So the livestock processing grant, that was already a grant program that was opened up. So you can go to the Department of Agriculture website and see the application for those grants. And so with this additional pot of money, I would assume they will open that grant process up again. So you can go to the NCDA website and see more information about that particular grant program. Yes, so they did adjourn sine die, which is a fancy Latin word for they're out of here. So they're officially done for the 2 years, the 2-year biennial cycle. They can come back. They can always, either the governor can call them back into session, or the General Assembly can call themselves back into a special session if Congress is able to get together and send some more money down for COVID relief that they would need to appropriate before the end of the year. But officially, the 2-year legislative cycle is over, and so that we'll have an election in November. Everybody go out and vote, and then in January, the new 2-year session will begin.